Hi guys. Guys, pagandahan natin ang ating mata, yung ating eyebrow kasi no, manipis yung eyebrow natin. Kaya pagandahan natin kung paano maglagay ng eyebrow. Ito guys, oh, ginagamit ko yung BYS na brand. Para sa akin maganda kasi kanilang brand, kaya ito ang ginagamit ko. Kaya try natin guys, kasi manipis talaga yung kilay. Lagyan muna natin ito ng white, guys, dito. Itong white, ito ay pang ano, pang para matagal yung hindi mabura yung eyebrow mo na brown. Dapat nalagyan natin siya ng ganito. Ito guys, lagyan natin. Yan. Yan. Tapos sa kabila naman. Dari na po guys. Tagalog, Bisaya ta guys ha. Then, here. I put brown na.
And then B2K is the beef action team. Very good, Paige. You got them all right. Nice job. Nice job, Paige.
Kasi ganito. Wow, ganda na guys.
Ara akong training.
So look guys, ang dali lang no. Wow, ganda tingnan. Ganda talaga guys.
Wait, pay attention. Paige, did your eyes get go okay?
It went great.
Wow. I like eyebrow. I like eyebrow.
Well, we'll see you next time. Paige, say goodbye and thank you.
Okay.
Yan guys, ang ganda.
I can't even do it.
Tama na ba? Ganda na ba guys? So, ganda na. Tapos, lagyan natin ng
Because I keep laughing.
ganito.
Here's another one of my favorite remixes. Which eyes? What's the group?
Yan, tapos na guys. Ganda. Thank you. Thank you for watching guys.